In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature on Pandadoc. We'll walk through the entire process from placing the signature field to assigning who needs to sign, and finally either signing it yourself or sending it out for someone else to complete. By the end, you'll be able to confidently add signatures to any Pandadoc document. First, make sure you already have your document open in Pandadoc. This can be a proposal, a contract, or any other document you're preparing. Once your document is open in the editor, look for the panel where you manage your content fields. This is usually on the right-hand side and is often labeled as content or something similar. This is where Pandadoc keeps all the fields you can add, like text fields, dates, checkboxes, and of course, signature fields. Next, we're going to place the actual signature field. In the content panel, find the option labeled Signature. Click on it, hold down your mouse, and drag it onto the page. Try to position it exactly where you want the signer to sign, for example, on a signature line at the bottom of the document. If it's not perfectly placed the first time, don't worry. You can always click and drag it to reposition it, or use the corners of the field to resize it so it fits neatly in your layout. Once the signature field is on the document, you need to tell Pandadoc who is supposed to sign there. Click on the signature field you just placed. This will open a floating toolbar or settings panel right next to it. In that toolbar, look for a drop-down that lets you choose a recipient or a role. If you've already added recipients to your document, you'll see them listed here. Select the person or role that should be responsible for this signature. This step is important because it connects that specific field to the correct signer and helps avoid any confusion later. Now you're ready to either sign the document yourself or send it out to someone else. If you are the person who needs to sign, simply click on the signature field and choose the sign option. Pandadoc will prompt you to draw, type, or upload your signature, depending on your settings. Once you confirm, your signature will appear in the field. If someone else needs to sign instead, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Send. Pandadoc will prepare an email to your recipient so they can review the document and complete their signature. After sending, you can track the document's status right inside Pandadoc.